In this video, we'll be installing a copper mechanical lug kit on an NQ 225 amp panel board. Let's see what's in the box. The first step in installing this kit is to remove the aluminum lugs that came with the panel board. Next, we'll open up the hardware bag assembly. And we'll pull out the hardware card. The hardware card contains the hardware, and it also tells you what torque to use for each connection. We'll start by using the first 3 screws, labeled A, B, and C for each phase. Next, we'll install the neutral lug using the remaining screw marked neutral hardware on the hardware card. Next, we'll torque each connection to the specified value on the hardware card.